First and foremost, I want to apologize to the American people that watch me. I dropped the ball. I wasn't covering the North Carolina stuff, and people have called me, and you can get my contact information at jasonsdavisconstruction.com. Okay? I apologize. I didn't realize it was that dire. People have called me that are in the area, and I seen the video of the helicopter pilot who had to make a video about the rescue of a man and a woman. I think their name was Coffee, Mr. and Mrs. Coffee. And he rescues Mrs. Coffee. Now, this ain't speculation. This is all over the internet, YouTube. And some fire dude, some guy that's over a rescue, told him, if you go back down and get that man, we'll throw you in jail. Listen, motherfucker. I've been to jail 8 years of my life. If I got to go for doing what's right, so be it. And you're dead wrong in stopping that man from flying down there and risking losing his livelihood and his aviation license simply because he wanted to save some life. I got a special pronoun. See, I don't really agree with pronouns. I'm not really a pronoun user. If you are, it's okay. But I did find out today that I have a pronoun that I love. And it's not they, but it is them. As in, fuck them. All right, that's my favorite new pronoun. And if you're one of those people that's stopping and hindering progress of the American people, and you are an American yourself, we need to return to 1776, right? Because those are my brothers and sisters, my people, my fellow countrymen, my patriots, right? And here's what me and Missy will do. We're tied up in our schedules, but we can leave on a Thursday evening. And if you got a load of shit that needs to go and you got a trailer, or it needs to go in this dump trailer, I ain't got numbers, but bet this, I'll run through every scale house across the country. Bap, bap, okay? I can do the time if my heart's in it. I can face the charges if my heart's in it, because I believe in the resiliency of the American people. And I know they'll stand up for what's right. And I know we're going to stand up against this because our fucking children or grandchildren are worth it, right? And we're Americans. And the people that have chosen law enforcement and public service, if you stand against the people, then you deserve to get whatever you get, brother. Because we're not talking about selling dope. We're not talking about messing with children. We're not talking about committing financial crimes or atrocities against whatever institution. We are talking about good fucking common sense. Hallelujah. Fluent fucking English. I cannot believe that they are telling people that are wanting to go and rescue people in helicopters that if you do that, we'll arrest you. And it's on YouTube. Yeah. Thank you for helping me understand pronouns. Because I got one and I love it. And it's them. As in, fuck them. We're going to do what we got to do. We're Americans. We've had enough. I don't give a damn about no other country. I don't give a damn about sending money to other places. I don't give a damn about your political agenda. What I give a damn about is God, family, and what is right. Right? And I have been wrong enough in my life to understand what that looks like. And I've been open, by God, transparent about it, right? And I'm being transparent about this. Fuck them. Good English.